Good morning, guys. Oh, I forgot something that I wanted to do. Gosh. Ooh. Thank you so much. I don't know what kind of shoes I'm going to wear because it is cold today, but I'm gonna cover up. This is my dress. It's no, I'm not going to church, guys. We still have like the ceremony going on again today. It was a nice wedding. It was very calm, and it started raining, and I was so happy because I did not want it to be so hot that you can't even stand it. So now that I know that it's okay, outside it's okay as well, I am gonna cover up with a jacket, but it is going to be hot during the day. I know, because it always does. Hey Han, what foundation did you use? I did not use any foundation. I just used the powder, the Fenty powder. I just put it raw on myself, and then I did the eyebrows, and then these are the lashes. Hey friend, how are you? I'm okay, friend, how are you? It's just a shoe dress. I don't install myself. I was installed. Yeah. I didn't think that I was going to wear this dress, but I'm wearing it regardless. Okay, guys. Today is that I wash my socks, they're still wet. I have to hang them out because I think I'm going back into, you know, when you when you sleep with socks. I think I'm going. I used to be able to sleep with socks when I was young, and I could do it anytime. I did it every single day, and then I grew up, and I just couldn't sleep with socks anymore. And last night was the first try of me sleeping with socks. I did, and it worked out. It's like, thank you so much, Tangy. So I wore them last night and I took them off when I had a bath today. Now I'm getting ready. So I'm gonna hang them now because they probably need to be hanged. Okay, guys, I am going to love and leave you. Thank you so much for joining my live. Yeah, um, I got it from Shinki. So we will see each other maybe later when I have my friends coming over because I am gonna be cooking. It's one of them's birthdays today, so I just had to get things for his birthday.